Assalamu alaikum. This is Usman Chaudhary. In these videos, I will deliver my few knowledge on micro hydropower to you. Inshallah, the topics to be discussed in these videos will be: what is turbine, definition, types and design of turbine. Definition of hydropower and the difference between pico, micro, mini, small and mega hydropower projects. Difference between impulse and reaction turbines and their types with detailed study. Design and working of hydraulic speed governor. Classification of hydropower. Site identification for micro hydropower. Initial site assessment. Ways to measure potential head and water discharge. Evaluating power formula for micro hydropower. Detailed study of intake structure, penstoke pipe, sand trap, head race, forebay tank, powerhouse room and tail race. At the end, we will discuss a bit about good and bad of micro hydropower. Let's start with our first topic, turbines. By definition, turbine is a machine which converts a linear motion of a flowing fluid into rotatory motion. Major type of turbines are hydro turbines, gas turbines, steam turbines and wind turbines. Hydro turbines are further divided into two categories, impulse turbines and reaction turbines. By definition, impulse turbine is that in which all pressure energy of water converts into the kinetic energy through a nozzle and generate a high speed jet of water. This jet of water strikes the blade of turbine and rotates it. In the simple mean, the turbine in which a runner is partially or semi-submerged in water is called impulse turbine. While in the reaction turbine there is pressure change of water when it passes through the rotor of turbine, or when the runner is fully submerged in water, the turbine is called reaction turbine. Now we are moving toward the difference between pico, micro, mini, small and mega hydropower projects. The powerhouses with the capacity less than 500 watts are known as pico hydropower projects. Those with the output capacity of 500 watts to 100 kilowatt are called micro hydropower. Above 100 kilowatt to 1 megawatt are mini, while small hydropower projects are those which generates the power between 1 megawatt to 10 megawatt. And the hydropower projects with power capacity of more than 10 megawatt are named as mega or full-scale hydropower projects. Now let's start the detailed study of impulse turbines. There are three major types of impulse turbines: cross-flow or bunky turbines, turbo turbines and Pelton wheel turbines. Cross-flow turbines. In 1925, Donat Bunky developed this type of turbine. This turbine applies the cross-flow principle where a free jet traverses a cylindrical runner vertical to the turbine shaft. Components of a cross-flow turbine. This is the main assembly of cross-flow turbine. This pulley is called main pulley. Here is the collet catcher for main pulley. This is top curved plate. This part is known as connecting box or intake adapter. This is known as casing side. The grease cap for bearings. Bearing. Collet catcher for bearing. Bearing stop box. This part is used to stop leakage of water. Side disc of turbine casing. Adjustable guide band. Guide band shaft. Fixed guide band. Runner or rotor of a turbine. This lever is used to operate adjustable guide band. This assembly on the back side of turbine is called countershaft assembly. This is the coupling for generator. Bearing stock box.